Hello friends, in today's class, we'll do the introduction of second phase of the compiler, which is syntax analysis, commonly known as parser. Okay, so the second phase here in this case is the syntax analysis, and in syntax analysis, like lexical analysis was a linear analysis that will linearly scan the input, but here in this case, as the statement is a hierarchical analysis. Okay, so this is a hierarchical analysis, and this is called parsing or syntax analysis. So we are linearly scanning it, and here analysis means what involves here in this case is that whatever the tokens that are being generated in earlier, or like position plus equal to of the source program, token of the source program, into grammatical phrases, okay, that is used by the compiler to synthesize the output. Okay, so they are basically a grammatical phrase, and they will be used for synthesize the output. So now here in this case, this is the syntax analysis, and here the main thing is that what basically intriguing is a process that is called parsing. Okay, so parsing is a process by which what we are going to do here is we are going to draw the tree, parts tree. Okay, parts tree, and for that we have to delve into this concept that is called grammar. Okay, so now, because grammar and that simple is a four tuple NTPS come into the picture: non-terminal, terminal, production rule, and start symbol. Okay. Syntax of any programming language is defined by using a context-free grammar. Now this will come into the picture. Language theory will come into the picture. Context-free grammar. So now we'll use a context-free grammar here in this case, and we will see the definition, what is a context-free grammar, and finally we can go into the parts tree. So this is the technical term. So for your understanding, I can say one thing, that whether if I'm writing a sentence, not even this formal language, even if I'm writing something in natural language, okay, if I'm writing something in natural language, so what we are answering here in this case is what is a hierarchical analysis or syntax analysis, whether the sentence is grammatically correct or not. Correct or not. Like he do. Okay, he do. Okay. So now this is the task of to divide he and do into lexical analysis phase. Will divide into the token. But whether he do work, okay, let's say. Now, what I want to know here in this case is this sentence is grammatically correct sentence or not, or is there any error or not? Okay, and that analysis is basically called the syntax analysis. And in this syntax analysis, as the term here mentioned, here is the grammatical phrase of the source program represented by the parse tree. Okay, so what we will do here in this case, we use the grammar, and mostly more will use context free grammar, and we will check whether it is syntactically, grammatically correct or. Okay,